Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video, so girls, the wait is over. Today I am sharing with you beautiful crochet scarf free ideas, beautiful fall pattern, fall ideas, different pattern for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting pattern, different variety, different ideas. Mind-blowing ideas, most demanding. Very nice, hopefully you like this. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas. Different designing. Like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas. Good comment section. And you can ask me in comment section what do you want next more about crochet collection. Very nice. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet scarf free ideas. Very nice, beautiful ideas, different pattern, different ideas for modern girls. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.